Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. As we all aware about the present condition of the world, due to COVID-19, we are going through lockdown, and this is necessary too because there is no any other alternative to deal with this crisis. But still, one thing we cannot harm is our studies. I am Mrs. Sunidhi are going to teach EVS subject to class 1. As you can see, there is a syllabus for EVS. There are 4 chapters in first term. Lesson number 2, My Body. Lesson number 3, My Family. Lesson number 4, Fun with the Family. Lesson number 5, Food We Eat. I request you all to please write down the syllabus. Okay, children, let's start with the first chapter, that is lesson number 2, My Body. It's on page number 1616. Meet Akash and Saba. There are two children standing here, as you can see in the picture. The girl is saying, "Hello, friends. I am Saba. Meet my best friend Akash." She is introducing herself as Saba and he is Akash. Now, what Akash is saying, we both played together in the park. He's saying that we both played together in the park, like you all play in the playground of the school during recess. The same way, they both play together in the park. We use our body parts to do different things. Now he's saying that we use our body parts to do different things. For example, very simple example I'm going to give you, like for walking, you use your legs. For writing, you use your hands. In the same way, he's saying, we use our body parts to do different things. Our body has different parts. Each part of the body has a name. Look at the picture given here. Now you can look at this picture, this boy picture. I'm just shifting my camera. Yes, now it's clear. As you are very familiar with these parts because you have already done in junior classes, so let's start. And one thing more, as I am taking their names, you are requested to touch them in your body so that you can understand them better. Like for example, if I'm saying the first is hair, so touch your hair in your body. Please touch your hair. Then head, touch your head. Then eye, touch your eye. Nose, touch your nose. Then cheeks, touch your cheeks. Mouth, neck, shoulders, chest, arms, hand, wrist, fingers, elbow, stomach, leg, knee, foot. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, next page. We can do different things with our body parts. We use our legs and feet to do these wonderful things. Now, there are some activities, some things which we can do with the use of our legs and feet. What are these activities? Walk, jump, skip, dance, run. While walking, you use your legs and feet. Jump, we use our legs and feet. Same as for skip, dance, and run. So these are the activities in which we use our legs and feet. Down. We do different things with our hands. Now, like we do some activities with our feet and legs. Similarly, some of the activities which we do while using our hands. What are those activities? Clap, paint, eat, write, hold things. Again, like clapping, you can use your hands for clapping, paint for eating, for writing, and for holding things. You use your hands while doing all these activities. Now there are 3 points written here. We have 5 fingers on each hand. You can count your fingers. As there is a picture of a hand, I'm counting the fingers of this hand. You can count your own fingers to check how many fingers do you have on each hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on each hand we have 5 fingers. Similarly, we have 5 toes on each foot. You can count your toes on your foot. As there is a picture of a foot here. I'm counting the toes of this picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third point, we carry our school bag on our shoulders. Can you see this picture of a boy here? Look at this picture. This boy is carrying his school bag. Where is carrying his school bag? On his shoulders. On his shoulders. Now down, we have a very interesting and fun activity. Tick the activities that you do using both your hands as well as feet. Now there are some pictures. You have to only tick those activities in which the boy or the child is using both the hands and the feet. So let's start with the first one. First one, climb ladder. You can see this boy is climbing a ladder. He's using both his hands as well as feet. Can you see? So this one is tick. You can tick climb ladder. Ride bicycle. Now, while riding a bicycle, you use both your hands as well as your feet. So, tick this one also. Playing tabla. Now this boy is playing tabla. He is playing the tabla while using his hand, but he is not using his legs. As you can see in the picture, he is just sitting and playing the tabla with his hands. So this is cross. Dance. While dancing, you use both your hands as well as your feet. So, tick. Eat food. While eating food, you use only your hands, not your feet. So, cross.